Hi, I'm Dr. Zarowski from NewVisionExcel.com, and in this video we're going to discuss how you can improve your joint health. There's millions of people out there who suffer from joint issues every single day. Anything from your knees all the way up your spine. Your body is made of a series of joints, and the integrity of these joints and the health of these joints is very important for your overall well-being. The reason it takes a comprehensive strategy is because there's no magic bullet when it comes to joint health. It takes a little bit of better lifestyle choices, but also some better dietary choices as well. So let's go ahead and start with lifestyle. So one of the first things that you need to do if you're worried about your joint health is you need to lose weight. So when you have excess fat on your body and excess weight that you're carrying around, what it's doing is it's increasing the compressive mechanical forces on those joints, which is going to drive inflammation. So if you want to have better joint health, you need to get some of that weight off. The next big thing that you need to do is exercise. Exercise serves many purposes when it comes to joint health. For one, it keeps the joint moving, it keeps the joint lubricated, but it also helps get some of those different inflammatory prostaglandins and leukotrienes out of the joint so that the joint can heal and repair. Now, while we're on the topic of inflammation, let's go ahead and talk about some dietary choices, some different herbs that you can use in order to help with joint health as well and keeping that inflammation out of the joint. One of the first on the list is turmeric. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory. That's something that you should just have on your diet on a regular basis, even on a daily basis, in order to help keep inflammation down, not only in the joints, but throughout the whole body. Now, the next big thing is ginger. I love using ginger not only because I actually like the taste of it, but also it's an awesome anti-inflammatory for your joints. The next big one that you can use is a herb called boswellia. And when you take boswellia, turmeric, and ginger all together, they really just offer a great synergistic anti-inflammatory effect on the entire body and the joints as well. The reason that the natural route is so great is because there's so many people who are taking these, over-the-counter medication and these different prescription meds in order to help decrease pain, but it has a very damaging effect on the liver and the kidneys. So when we can use these different natural anti-inflammatories, these scientifically proven natural anti-inflammatories in order to reduce inflammation in the joint so that the joint can heal, then that's a huge plus, that's a huge win, and it's absolutely necessary to do first. Now, from a dietary perspective, there's something that you can do as well in order to decrease inflammation, and that is reduce sugar intake. So when you reduce sugar intake, you do your joints a huge service because sugar is one of those different foods that it drives a lot of inflammation in the body and causes a lot of problems. So reduce your sugar intake you should really reduce your sugar intake to nothing if possible in order to help with your joint health. Now, another supplement that you could take, or make sure that you're getting these foods in your diet, foods that are very rich in essential fatty acids. I personally like to supplement with an omega-6 3,9 DHA, and it serves a purpose not only to help decrease inflammation, but it also serves a huge purpose in overall joint repair. So use some essential fatty acids in order to help rebuild that joint, but also get that inflammation out. Now, there's one last thing I'm going to mention, and that is glucosamine. Studies show that when individuals were supplementing with glucosamine, taking between 500 and 1500 milligrams per day, they not only saw faster repair in the joint itself when it was damaged, but what they also found is it decreased the pain as much as some of the different painkillers did. So using glucosamine is a really great way to help decrease the pain in the joint, but also help rebuild that joint and give the joint the proper nutrients needed in order to repair and restore itself. So to kind of recap here, there's a couple things that you need to do. You need to lose weight, you need to exercise, you need to get that inflammation out of the joint using some natural anti-inflammatories such as turmeric, ginger, and boswellia. Essential fatty acids are also very important in decreasing inflammation and helping restore the joint along with glucosamine. And then last, if not least, make sure that you're reducing your sugar intake to decrease that inflammation, not only in the joint, but throughout your whole body. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments section below. And then one more thing, what I'll do is I'll put my favorite blend of anti-inflammatory herbs in the description section below. So go ahead and check that out. It's something that I use every single day, and I think that it would benefit you greatly, especially if you're having some joint problems. So go ahead and check that out. And until next time, guys, make it a great day.